Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in
My
this
name is.
video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your Netflix account permanently. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So yeah, first thing first, what you need to do is just log in with your account. Then you can use your Netflix app or you can use your Netflix website. Once you do that, just choose the profile that you use your Netflix with, and once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So once you are over here, what you need to do is just go to your top right corner on this profile option and then go to account. Once you are in the account, on your left hand side you'll be having options like this. Just go with the security option just below the membership, and then go all the way down until you find this delete account option. Once you press on your delete account option, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.